Zimbabwe's spirit of struggle. Will history repeat itself? Sarabira mashoko in analysis inopangwa ino ichianalyzwa nemapolitical commentators pamusoro pema-struggles nema-dynamics ari kuitika with the ruling party ZANU-PF. Pamwe nekuchonekwa kunzi is the leader of the ruling party ZANU-PF, President Idi Mnangagwa, is set to retire by the end of 2028. People are asking themselves, kuti will history repeat itself zvakamboita muna 2017? Don't subscribe or like it on the bell icon. Makomichi anouya achikomenda achitaura pamusoro penhau succession achiti, these newcomers always misunderstand the struggle. I remember 2016 to 2017 when Grace Mugabe thought she was next in line. The late president appointed ministers at a whim. Whoever she wanted fired was fired. Whoever she liked got top jobs. In Masvingo town, banners with the face read munhu wese kuna amai. But when the spirit of Chimurenga rose again, Grace was demoted and humiliated. Robert Mugabe fell, not just because of soldiers, but because the spirit of the Chimurenga fought back. I believe that spirit will rise again against Uganda, hijacking our country. These greedy politicians and newcomers are always on the wrong side of history. They think money can buy the struggle. They are wrong. I foresee some comrades in the 2030 camp rising against these Uganda zviri kusvibisa Stade Musangano nezita raHis Excellency. Senior ministers and military officials will realize we are heading the wrong way, and they will join hands with the Vice President Constantino Chiwenga, demanding clean governance and the arrest of corrupt officials. Ndo mashoko anobuda achitaurwa achitsanangura naIsaac Makomechi achitsanangura pamusoro pemadynamics akaitika muna 2017 achapangwa ino achiti zvadzokera kuzviita zvekare kuchonekwa kunzi manewcomers avo manhau dzematongero enyika panguva ine ndo vari kukanganisa zvinhu vachiti the spirit of Chimurenga ichauya again yodzosera zvinhu mungwara. Ndida kumese kuchemeduza funguro enyu tichiona panguva ine achiuya achiti vipi Constantino Chiwenga is going to win this struggle. Don't subscribe or like it on the bell icon.